That is a vampy look right there. Get what I did there? Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today, I'm excited it's Halloween. I don't actually like Halloween like at all, but I love being able to be creative. And I feel like I really was able to be creative on this one. I could do some glam, I don't have fake blood or anything like that, so I just kind of had to go with what I had. Today I am a vampire. My boyfriend chose this look. It's been a kind of a rough week, but a lot of stuff has happened behind the scenes, but it's all starting to look up again. So I decided to sit down in front of the camera, say hi to my dog Knight. He's a Halloween dog. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, just follow along. Okay, like always, I'm going to be starting with my eyebrows. I have this cute little headband on because Halloween, why not? I'm starting with my Milani Stay Put brow color in soft brown. I might be darkening it, not sure yet. They're not quite as dark as I wanted them to be. I'm gonna try going in with my Pretty Vulgar The Ink gel eyeliner a little bit. Just a tiny little dab. Try and darken out those outer portions. And then I'm just going to cut my eyebrows and I'll be back. So I decided to put a little slit in my eyebrow too. Why not? I have no eyebrows anyway, so it's not like I had to shave it. So next I'm going to prime my eyebrows using my Morphe Eyelid Primer. You guys are gonna hate me. This is like the only palette that I use. And my James Charles palette. I really just looked through all of my palettes and I don't have a red in any of my other palettes. Like, what? Why? Why are there no reds? But I'm gonna start out just with a transition shade. So I'm gonna start out with this color right up here. This is Boutique. I did find my, my color sheet. So I'm starting out just putting this in my crease. I'm gonna be putting black on, but I wanted to just kind of give it a base. And then next I'm gonna be going into the black shade that's down here. This is Spooky. And because I have hooded eyes, I always blend way higher so that when I close my eyes like this, or when I open my eyes, you can still see it. I want to add a little bit more of a base to my lids for that color to pop. And to do that, I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is the lighter one. This is Bare 03, 06. And then I'm going to fill in all that I just cut out. Ooh. I'm going to be filling that in that I just cut out with this red shade up here. It's called You're Kidding. Okay. I'm going to clean up a little bit right here and be back. Alright, and then I'm going to be doing some crazy wing liner. More just really long. So I'm using my CoverGirl liquid liner. I don't know if there's another name. I think I'm then going to move on to my face. So I'm going to start by priming. So this is my CoverGirl True Blend Base Business. And for foundation, I'm going to be actually using my lighter shade. Are you done? I'm going to be using my lighter shades. This is my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in the shade Buff Beige M15. And then for my concealer, again, I'm going to be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is also in the shade Fair 06. Let's see how crazy light this is going to look. Ooh, that's like white. And to set everything in place, I'm going to be using my Becca, I don't even know what this is called, Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And then I'm going to contour. I'm just like throwing everything right now. So this is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation Brush, and I'm going to be going back in with that same black shade, Spooky right here, very small amount. I'm going to be carving out my cheekbones. Oh, that's more than I wanted to use. So now that I'm a little bit more chiseled, a little bit more, I think I actually want to do my lips before I finish up my eyes, just because I want to see the whole look together, if that makes sense. I think what I'm going to do first is fill in the middle with my Too Faced Melted Matte. I'm just filling in the middle of it. Like barely trying to do anything. And then I'm going to fill around the outside with my NYX Liquid Suede. I just went to clean up around my lips with concealer, and I accidentally hit my lips with my brush like 6 times. So I just had black lipstick all over my face. I'm going to freak out! Next is my eyes. So I'm just going to be putting that same red shade under my eyes just to begin. And then I'm going to make little like squigglies all under my eyes. I don't know if you guys have seen Vampire Diaries, but that's kind of what I want the face to look like a little bit. I have a little thing of water over here. Actually, I think I might be trying to use this shade right here to begin. That was the shade Boutique. And I'm just going to wet a little liner brush, pat it into that shade, and just kind of go to town. I might just kind of go in with a little eyeshadow brush and go in with a darker brown, pat over that, just to make it look a little bit less neat. And I want to put a little bit of blood next to my mouth. So I have another lipstick. This is a NYX Liquid Lip Suede in the shade Cherry Skies. I'm just going to dab some on the back of my hand. And I'm also going to wet this little brush. Yeah, it's not exactly what I was looking for. So instead, I'm going to be going into my Ace Beauty I don't know, palette, and use the shade Poppy right here. And again, I'm going to wet my brush and dab that here. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side of my neck. using black, again with lipstick. Oh my god, I didn't finish my eyes. For mascara, I'm using my Tarte Big Ego mascara. And then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. Alright, so I used my Lashaholic Instaglam lashes. So I'm just going to set my face using my Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. So I am going to fix my hair and I'll be back for the final look. And this is the final look. Well, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.